welcome to my channel. It's your girl GORGG, also known as Malia, and I'm so happy to have you back. Today's video is on this look. I literally did this look. I literally came up with this look on camera. I kind of mimicked a look from Jennifer. I don't know her name, from Jennifer from Basketball Wives, and her look was more of a dark denim eye, but I added a light blue glitter from the Fenty Galaxy palette to this eye look. I don't know how to explain it. I fell in love with it. I also wanted to try the technique that allows you to, like, you know, cheetah cut crease. So what I did was I used the plastic from the eyelash holder and literally put concealer on it and put it on my eye. Listen, if you want to see how to do it, learn how to cheetah cut crease and make a bomb ass cut crease like this, stay tuned. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles. On Instagram, I am GORGG. On Twitter, I am also GORGG. On Snapchat, I'm the GORGG. I would love to have you guys interact with me on those social media handles. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. I'm done talking. If you're ready to see how to create this look, stick around. Alright, y'all, so I've already primed my face and primed my eyes and did my eyebrows. So now I'm going to go ahead and, I was going to do eyes first, but I'm just going to go ahead and do foundation. Kat Von D in the color Deep 74. I'm going to be using my favorite foundation brush, the F80 from Sigma Beauty, and I'm just going to go straight to the face. Make sure it's blended out very well. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go straight to my eyes. They're already primed. I used NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the color Caramel to prime my eyes. And I'm going to go in with my E38 brush from Sigma and my brown script from MAC. It's always good to use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to do the transition color, to help deposit that color everywhere. I saw this look on, what's her name? Oh, Jennifer. So Jennifer wore this eyeshadow look that I saw on Basketball Wives the other day, and it was really like, it was really simple, but I liked it. It was like this was like the transition color, whatever. I'm gonna put a little brown in it also, but it was pretty much just a transition color and like a blue denim eyelid, and it was really, really pretty. So I want it, and I want to do it, so I'm going to. You know, windshield wiper motions. Yeah, all in the eye, because I'm actually going to do a cut crease, so I need to get all up in my eye. I'm going to just do a similar look to hers. I'm not really mimicking her exact look. I think I'm going to make it my own, but we shall see. And now with a more dense brush, I'm going to go into my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, a smaller brush, just so I can have a little bit more precision, and take the semi-sweet color right here, the last color, and put that right in my crease, right on the outside of my crease actually, and I'll drag it in with my brush later. I'm gonna take that same E38 brush from Sigma that we used to put in brown script and just blend that color out and bring it closer into the crease. To cut my crease, I'm gonna use this plastic eyelash holder. So I saw this technique on like Instagram or something. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the little thing that holds the eyelash, put concealer on it, and place it against my eye to make it easy to cut my crease. Alright, so I'm going to take a concealer brush and dip it in the concealer and literally just apply it onto this little plastic lid. Okay. I'm literally trying it for the first time on camera, so we shall see how I do. As you can see, it's now covered in concealer, and I'm going to just place it against my eye. That's all I'm gonna do, and the rest of it I'm gonna film myself just to make sure I do it right. So I'm gonna take this small flat eyeshadow brush and continue it. So it's not a full cut crease, I just wanna do a half cut crease, so just gonna I'm so excited, it did it. Okay, and I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit with my finger. And the other side is Alright, and with this same flat concealer brush, I'm going to go into my NYX Wicked Dreams palette and take this. It was more of this denim blue color, but I'm kind of almost feeling this color. Now like this midnight dark glittery one. So I'm just going to dip my brush all in it and start applying. Okay. Now to transition the color, I'm going to use this dark velvety purple color right here. I kind of want the blue to go as far over as possible. My first successful cut crease. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Now that the lids are on, I am thinking about adding this. I'm thinking about adding this blue. Why am I doing a blue look? I don't know. I'm finna put on red, but it don't matter. I'm thinking about adding this blue from the Fenty Galaxy palette onto the top of my eyelids. So, oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Just put it in the middle, maybe. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I want that all over my lid. It looks like my. It kind of looks like my nails. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I forgot about the fact that I'm putting on. See, if I knew I was gonna add glitter, I would do my foundation after, because you know it kind of gets on it. Let me see. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the face. Look at my. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the face and go into concealer. All right, now I'm gonna take a concealer brush and my concealer, my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the color Caramel. Take a tad metric crib knowing I might not hit. You said what I look like my, yeah. This is my inspiration. And then boom, I top it. Move. Now I'm going into my cream contour kit from Sleek and taking the darkest color to contour my cheeks and my face. To contour my face in general, honestly. Ooh, got that all on my scarf. Well, I can wash dark today, I guess. I don't even blend with my beauty blender anymore, but I guess today I am. No, Angel, but you got a halo. So I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup to bake a little. I haven't used it in so long. I don't know. I kind of was using that in a mix of La Mercier, but I'm gonna use just that today. It looks so cute. It looks good. I'm in love. I can't believe I did this. To be honest, I recently learned that I be doubting myself so much and thinking that I can't do everything, or I can't do what someone else did, or oh, I'm not that creative and I can't come up with different eye looks. Like, that's what I was thinking to myself, and it showed, because I wasn't trying to do different eye looks. And now I'm like, why can't you do it? What talent does someone else have that you don't have? So I said, forget it. I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna try and try again until I get it right. And this is my first time trying, and I said I'm gonna get behind the camera and try. And I'm so excited that I did, because I love the way that this eye is like the shit, and I'm like so proud of myself. Anyways, I'm gonna contour my cheeks with the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm gonna be using the dark color. I'm gonna be using a mix of the dark color and lighter color, because I don't want to be too dark. I don't want to contour too much, so. I'm using this fluffy brush from, this powder brush from Real Techniques to brush away the excess powder. Alright, I'm going to take a fluffy brush from e.l.f. and go back into my brown script and go right under the eye with that. I feel like that's too light, so I'm going to actually go back into the chocolate palette and use that same brown from earlier and put that under my eye. I'm going to take a small eyeshadow brush, and in the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to, well, not the inner corner, but the inner part of my under eye, I'm going to go ahead and apply that same brown. Actually, I'm going to apply it all the way across. That same blue from earlier. I'm just going to let those lashes dry for just a short moment. While they dry for that moment, I'm going to apply some mascara. So, actually, I don't have to do this on camera. Y'all seen a whole tutorial on how I do my lashes. So, I'll be right back. So happy I decided to play with, I'm gonna cry. I'm so happy I decided to play with some color. It's so fucking pretty. God damn, girl, you better. I'm not doubting myself no more, period. With this bow eye look, I really just want to do a simple lip. So, I'm going to do my favorite thing. Take my spicy brown from Ruby Kiss, dip my lip brush in it, and line my lips with it first. I do overline my lips. And I'm gonna take this nude peachy, this pinky nude color. It's from Primark, a little cheap store up here. But the brand is PS. And hit it under my lips, like this. And boom, that's my lip. Now I'm showing out. I ain't gonna put on no blush. You know what? I'm actually gonna use brown script as a blush. I think that'd be a really cute blush. Ooh. Boom. You see how you can use different things, use the same thing for different things? And now it's time to spray and finish this up with my Urban Decay All Nighter. Alright y'all, this is my finished look. I am obsessed to say the least. I'm so excited that I tried a color and I didn't doubt myself, and I tried a new technique. I cheated the hell out of my cut crease, and I am very proud of the results. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you don't miss any of my posts. See you later.